Hey everybody, I'd like to show you an augmented inspection application Moback worked on recently. Basically, you can point your tablet at a locomotive, go around and see what work needs to be done on it. So we'll start by pointing it at the front of the locomotive to see what tasks there are. As we can see, there are 3 tasks with some subtasks. So we'll select the fuel tank task. And as we can see, 3 are already done. We'll look at the final remaining task, and we'll have some instructions on how to do that task if there's any defects. We'll go back, we'll check off the different steps to finish this task, and then we will mark it as done. So now that that's done, we can move to the front of the locomotive where there is another task. We're going to adjust the snowplow. So we can see that 3 of the 3 tasks still need to be done. We'll go through and we'll begin. Starting on the first task, there's a couple things we can do if we're not sure what we need to do. We can look up a PDF of all the information from the manufacturer, and if that is not enough, we can actually watch a video on how to do this step as well. And we can do this all without leaving the application. Once we've seen this, we can finish our task, which involves measuring. So we don't have a locomotive in the office, so we're going to use a couple of AR targets to simulate this. As you can see, once the application grabs it, it measures between the two, and we can then take these measurements, and the application will let us know if it is in spec or not. And as we can see, 2 are in spec and 1 is not in spec. So at this point, the technician would go back and adjust, try to get them all 3 in spec. And as you can see, they are in spec this time. So this is just a couple of things that we can do with this application. It's really just a proof of concept, but shows you the way that we're thinking. Here we have a photo comparison. The photos are very different in this picture, but basically we have a photo of what it should look like on the right and a photo of what the technician sees on the left. Now, if we were actually pointing this at a locomotive, we could do a side-by-side comparison, but again, that's a hard thing to fit into the office. So that's a quick tour of Moback's Augmented Reality Inspection app. Thanks for watching.